Hey guys, 360 Mix here. So today I'm going to do a non-audio repair, and I already started with this because I wanted to see how it would work. This is a sprayer that you can get on Amazon. I got this for free through Amazon. I just paid taxes on it. It's a foam sprayer. Basically, you put your soap, you put your water in here, and you dilute the soap. USB powered, so you charge the battery and you turn it on. That's the off position. You turn it on, and you can trigger this on and off every time you want to spray, and it's got the little pattern here, and it's good for washing windows, your car. Before you rub it, you can just basically just throw soap everywhere. It's a foam cannon is basically what it is. So if you have one of these, the only problem that I have with this is that I was washing the car one day and it started losing suction. It wasn't throwing a lot of water and I couldn't figure out why. And then I noticed that the hose that goes inside is attached to a little nipple that goes on this here, and that little nipple had broken off. Uh, and then as I was doing all that, the soap came out of this and came out through the crack here. It landed on my hand, and next thing you know, this ends up on the floor. So basically, I made the problem worse because what happens was that this is the part that goes here like that, right? Two of the screws broke off, and then this thing was like that. It had a gap like that. So it's made out of very, very cheap plastic, especially when you're going to put screws into it. So two of the stakes here where you mount the screws, this one and that one, broke off when it fell from knee high again. I mean, literally this just dropped like maybe a foot and a half, and it snapped off. That's how cheap this plastic is. And that seems to be the case with a lot of Chinese Amazon products. So I think I like the way it worked. It worked really well. So I tried to glue this little nipple back in there, but it was still losing suction. So I'm like, you know what? Forget that. Let's see what else we can do. So this is the original hole, the original line that goes in here, and it connected to that little nipple that I showed you right there. That was loose. So what I did was I got basically hose tank or fish tank air line. See, it's not the same. This is silicone, and it's a little bit smaller than this one, the diameter and the internal diameter, but it works well. So basically what I did was I drilled a hole here. Now I'm going to feed this through that hole, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the inside, or hot melt glue. I'm going to make sure that this is the right height, right? And then I'm going to trim this, and I'm going to connect that to, where's the pump? Oh, this is the one we need to take off. See if I don't break it again. And then this one's going to go right in there. I'm going to trim it to length. And that's it. That's really the only fix. This, this is a little, again, silicone. I'm going to have to cut that out a little bit, or maybe I can just force this guy in and put that's kind of like the gasket, so the fluid doesn't come out. And then I'm just going to glue this thing shut because, like I said, only 2 screws work. Look at the plastic. All the pieces of plastic, and I threw some out already that broke off. But if you have one of these, that's the only fix that you have to do, and then you get it working again. I tried it out. It works fine. Just make sure you put this filter on, okay? So I noticed that this filter is a little bit, the diameter of this is a little smaller, so it falls off. You can put a little glue on the outside, not on the inside, on the outside, and glue it back in. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little nipple that came off of that, which if you're watching this video, you probably broke this already. Keep that little nipple. Use it for this side because it works good there. And then cut a little piece of the silicone one. Attach the little piece of silicone to there. Let's pretend you cut this right here, okay? So you put that guy there, right? And then that you can glue together, and then you can put it right. You can put this basically there. So it would be kind of like putting it like that. So all you did is basically made a little reduction right there. And that should work, you know? And you saved this thing from the trash. Like I said, it works really good. It's got an internal battery here, 1200 milliamp hours, 7.4 volts. They could have put two of these and make it last longer, but the battery does last a long time, so I didn't have any issues with that. It's definitely not waterproof. It's not conformal coated in any way, so as you can see, there's a little bit of corrosion there already. So I mean, everything Chinese, they have the right idea. They just don't terminate it correctly. Terminate it meaning finish it correctly. Like this should be conformal coated. These should be siliconed in because this is going to be in water. Cover these up. Put little covers on it. Little rubber covers. Put some glue or something on it. Package it a little bit better. Use better plastic. Not this brittle plastic that just breaks off. I mean, you're charging $50 for this. Just use better quality plastic. That's all. Anyway, that's a repair. If for some unknown reason this helped you, great. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll enjoy your life. See you later.